Three things that give away your behavior, and it's not a good way to do it. Hi, my name is Susan Ivit. I'm a human behavior hacker. Some people hack computers and I hack humans. And this is Human Behavior Dictionary. And guess what? The day is here. Human Behavior Dictionary class is up and running. We're going to talk about body language, microexpressions, statement analysis and elicitation, face reading, and how to put all the behaviors together. This happened because you asked for it and because this segment of Human Behavior Dictionary has such a big crowd that likes why we don't do a class. So go to the link below if you want to get on the class. And why this happened? Web. We call web words, emotions, and behaviors. And it's one behavior that you need to be paying attention because give you away. We do it unconsciously, you do it, your dog do it, your kids do it, everybody does it. What is pacifiers? Pacifiers are things that we do to calm ourselves when we are at high stress or something is going on. I'm going to give you 3 tips for yourself and to pay attention to others. Higher is the pacifier, higher is the stress level. Women, we tend to pacify here, using the wrong necklace to explain this. Some people pacify here. When you see people pacifying on the hair or playing with the hair or doing this all the time, I do it because I don't know how to use long hair. But anyway, so higher the pacifier, higher is the stress. Some people, men tend to rub their legs, men tend to rub their wrist, accommodate clothing. This is a pacifier. Second, if you don't know what to do with your hands in order to avoid be touching yourself all the time, grab a coffee, grab a pen, and those pacifiers are going to be minimizing. Third, if you see somebody doing this and that is out of the baseline, remember, nothing in behavior happens without establishing a baseline. So if somebody suddenly is calm and start doing things like on the shoulder, touching the face, going to the neck, doing this, touching the hair, says, if you want to get in a good way with that person, ask, are you nervous? You want to take a break? You want a coffee? Give that person time to breathe. Now, if you're a lawyer and you want to put that person under stress, you are on the right track. Remember, 2 times a week, we're going to talk about the Human Behavior Dictionary. And again, if you like this segment, because I know you do, go to the link below and register to the class. I cannot wait to see you on the live class on the next segment of Human Behavior Dictionary. Until the next one.